Well, so the key thing to think about with programming languages, and you think about what a programming language is there for, is it's about making a human more productive, right? And so like there's an old, I think it's a Jobs quote about it's a bicycle for the mind, right? You can definitely walk, but you'll get there a lot faster if you can bicycle on your way. And
A programming language is a bicycle for the mind.
yeah,
So it's basically wow, that's a really interesting way to think about it.
by raising the level of abstraction, now you can fit more things in your head. By being able to just directly leverage somebody's library, you can now get something done quickly. In the case of Swift UI is this new framework that Apple has released recently for doing UI programming. And it has this declarative programming model, which defines away entire classes of bugs. It builds on value semantics and many other nice Swift things. And what this does is allows you to just get way more done with way less code. And now your productivity as a developer is much higher, right? And so that's really what programming languages should be about. Is it's not about tabs versus spaces or curly braces or whatever. It's about how productive do you make the person. And you can only see that when you have libraries that were built with the right intention that the language was designed for. And with Swift, I think we're still a little bit early, but Swift UI and many other things that are coming out now are really showing that. And I think that they're opening people's eyes.
It's kind of interesting to think about like how that, the knowledge of something, of how good the bicycle is, how people learn about that. So I've used C++. Now this is not going to be a trash talking session about C++, but I used C++ for a really long.
Go there if you want. I have the scars.
I feel like I spent many years without realizing like there's languages that could, for my particular lifestyle, brain style, thinking style, there's languages that could make me a lot more productive in the debugging stage, in the development stage, and thinking like the bicycle for the mind. I can fit more stuff into my.
Python's a great example of that, right? I mean, a machine learning framework in Python is a great example of that. It's just very high abstraction level. And so you can be thinking about things on a like very high level algorithmic level instead of thinking about, okay, well, am I copying this tensor to a GPU or not? Right? It's not what you want to be thinking about.